So this is part 2 of the my thrift haul from this week. I wonder if I'm gonna have to split it into another video. Maybe it'll be 3. We'll see. Anyway, I went to my local thrift store and got around 300. I spent around 300, but I got discounts, and really it was a value of 500, but I got $50 off tags, and I got my 20% off, so I ended up spending only like $220, which I know I will make quickly on just bags. So tune in, relax, and watch with me what I got. I enjoy showing them. Actually, that was a tradition of mine with my girlfriends. We always go shopping and then sit and show each other what we got and talk about it. So anyway, last time I started going with shoes, and I said I'm getting now more comfortable, shoes that's what I think will sell more because of coronavirus. So this is another one of the same brand I showed you last time. It's Taryn Rose. I got them based on style and the quality. The leather is super soft, leather lining. They're like toning, a little bit padded, and they're genuine suede. They look super comfortable and have like little wedge. They don't look worn much. I'll clean them out because they got a little bit dirt from the other stuff. But they have those cute buttons. I don't know if that's like bamboo or something. But they look very, very well made. I would definitely get them for myself, but they're way too big. 38.5, so it's European size. Oh, I don't know. 38.5, is it like 8? Or 8.5. Anyway, so this brand I saw that sells pretty good for like around $30. So, and like I said, I only got them because I think that's what we'll be selling this year. And I think I paid, where's the tag? $3.99. So pretty good. This one, I learned this brand from Nicole States. I love her videos. I've been watching her for years, and it took me forever to start making my own videos. But I always enjoy watching them while I'm listing or packing since I work from home. Okay, so this brand is Bionic. And those are like wedged sandals. They have adjustable straps. They're leather with like embossed snake. So it's not real snake, but it's like snake embossed. And this is how they look. They look gently worn, but I'll clean them up. And I mean, they don't really have wear on soles, so yeah, they're very cute, I think. And they're size 7, and they look comfortable. I think those are also toning, so comfort shoes yet again. And oh, I paid for those. They were $5.99 blue, so they're half off, so I got them for $3. So not bad. This is Bionic. I think I'm saying it correctly. They sell for like 40, between 20 and 50 usually. Anyway, next one are those cute mules. Look how cool. They also look pretty new. Maybe they were worn one time or like tried on. See, they look great condition. The stitching is intact, and they're genuine leather and suede inside, which you would see on the suede if they were worn, and they don't look like anything. Colhan, which Colhan sometimes can sit forever, I don't know, but I just thought those were on trend. Kind of remind me of like Birkenstock and Dansko style, you know. And they're size 7, made in Brazil. They look like very comfy shoes. And they have a little bit of heel, so comfy, but they have a little bit height. And next one I got Michael Kors. I used to have shoes just like this way back. I love them. They're like a retro style. How cool. And they're genuine leather lined and suede, and they're made out of real wood with those studs here. Aren't they cute? They have like an ankle strap, adjustable in 2 places. I think they will do pretty well. And they also don't really look much worn, maybe a few times, but it's real wood, so cool. And it has a little bit of like padding on the heel with the leather, so I'll give it a try. Oh, and I paid $5.99 for those with 20% off after. It was 20% off total. Put those in. What shoes do you guys like to buy? Any of the brands I said were near to you? Are you also investing in comfort shoes now with the coronavirus? Oh, next thing I paid a little bit. I paid up a little bit on this, but I had before Christian Dior belt that I bought for like $1.99, and I sold it for $120. I don't know if this one will do as good. It is reversible. It's black on one side and dark brown on the other, and the buckle is also reversible like this. You can just like flip it and twist it oh, there we go, like this. So they're pretty cool it's pretty cool little belt. That's Christian Dior marking, made in Spain. I think it's real. It's genuine leather. It's pretty well made. And this I'm planning to send to Real, see how it does there. Sorry for this craziness. Fire truck or something. Anyway, this one was $24.99. So I knew I wouldn't pay this much, but I saw on Real they're selling for 100 to obviously 1,000. You know, Christian Dior, depends what's popular. This is not super fancy, but I thought if I sell it for 100, I get half of that money. Then I still double my money, you know. So I gave it a try. We'll see. So next up, we have some clothes. Finally, I'm getting there. So first, I got something, you know, casual to go with the trend. This is like a men's, I think this is like fishing jacket or shirt. They call it LL Bean, size large. Yeah. And I paid, it looks very good. Doesn't show any sign of wear, actually, not even no sleeve or underarms. Hopefully the fire truck is done making noise here. Anyway, this little shirt was $5.99 and it was half off, so $3. I sold some LL Bean. If they're like, I sold like teddy jacket and so on. So it sells sometimes. It depends what it is, you know. And next one, I thought it was so cool. It's Michael Kors. I know some of you don't think that's it anymore, but I have to say, every time I have Michael Kors, it sells. Well, as long as it will be selling, I'll be buying it. So this one's pretty cool. It's like a tie-dye, a one shoulder ruffle top. It's size small, but you know, it could fit medium, even large, because it has like elasticated top and bottom, and it's cool. Like summer is coming, you know, and it's size small. Excuse me. It was $5. It was half off, so $2.50. And next one, I started getting some jeans. I used to sell a lot of jeans, and then I got so frustrated because I got a bunch of jeans that were sitting forever. It's hard to tell because now they say low-rise jeans and flare jeans and wide leg are back in, like the 90s stuff. But you know, by the time actual average person catches on to that, it's gonna take a while. So for me, for now, still the skinny high rise or high-waisted jeans still sell quickly, but I wanted to start getting some flares and low rise to see how it goes. So I went by brands that I know sell pretty good for me usually. This is Silver brand, Silver, and this style is Suki, which I sold many times before. It's size 30 and the length is 32, which is good for like taller, I guess. Well, maybe not taller, medium, I guess. But size 30, that's good. And it has cool buttons, vintagey looking. And they are like a slight flare, not here, like this, but like a boot cut. And this size is pretty good, so those were $2.99. So I figured let's give it a try. This brand can sell between $20 and $60 depending on style, you know, and some size, obviously. This one I bought for myself, but I don't know if I'll keep it. It's just like a little top, like a knit top. It has a little pocket here. I like simple things because I like to keep it neutral because it's easy for me, and I like comfy clothes, and then I can put whatever top cover up or sweater and it looks like something. But I thought this one's cool. It's not open back, it has the liner with the same fabric, but it has just something going on, so I thought it was pretty cool. It's from Bar 3, which I don't know, that doesn't sell for me, but I also like rayon, which is great, and it's made in USA, which is also good to put in your description. And size medium, it's like a loose fit, so we'll see. I might keep it, I have to try it on. Oh, and it was for $3.99. It has half off, so $2. I can live with that, you know, I get for myself. This I actually bought before and sent to threadup, and they listed it for like $100, so it must be good brand. It's Donny. We'll see. I'll try sell this one myself. It hasn't sold there yet, but it's like one size fits all, like a duster knits cover up sweater. It was $5.99. New with tags, and it's half off. So it has big pockets. So here we go. You can put your phone in and lounge around. So I got it. $5.99, half off. $2.50. Why not? And this one is from Rip Curl, which I've sold like rompers from them before, which they did pretty good. They definitely brought some traffic to my store. And this was, I thought, pretty cool, like a sweater. Has this little, it's a hoodie and has a little pocket in here. So, and yeah, it's kind of like chunky, size small. I thought it was pretty cool. But it's that this kind of fabric you can wear year round because it's not really warm. You know, it's kind of heavy, but it's not super warm. I thought it was pretty cool. Anyway, we'll give it a try. And this one was for $2.99 and it was half off, so $1.50. And next one is Eileen Fisher, which sells pretty good and does really well on like threadup. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to sell it myself. I'll send it to them. We'll see. It's just like a little sweater. They had so much Eileen Fisher that time. I really had to pick and choose, but I thought this one was cool. I think it was, yes, 100% linen, so good for spring, you know, and summer. And it was $3.99, and it has like slight bill sleeve. So I'm gonna give it a try. This brand I didn't know about. It sells, where did I see it? Revolve? Somewhere. Or maybe, I don't remember. You can remind me if you know in the comments. Margaret Orsai or Larry. Margaret O'Leary. It's like a little button. But here again, I thought it was the colors. How cute. The colors are so good now. This is trendy and like a little sweater. I think it's also like linen. Linen, 85 linen and 15 viscose, made in USA. So I thought it was pretty cool, little sweater, little cardigan. And I paid $3.99, but I think I checked comps and it was like $30, $40. So yet again, I'm gonna have to split. I still have like 2 more bags to go. So see me in part 3. So thank you for watching. Please like this video if you feel like you learned something. If you like to learn new brands to sell. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know if I'm making new videos. I'll try to be regular on posting videos. I want to also include like art and other videos, but for now let's focus on this. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.